What's good, YouTube? It's BTC the Villain back with another unboxing. Let's get into it. Alright, now first up, these from Goat, so you have your little plastic, little packaging or whatever. This little piece of paper to wrap around the boxes. This is my second purchase from Goat, actually, but let's get into it real quick. Jordan 13 Retro, black, true red, and white. Size 13 retail is $190. Let's open the box. This little Goat card. Unwrap the paper. And as you can see here, I got a pair of Jordan 13 Breds. Excuse me, my second, oh shit. These are my second pair of 13s. I gotta push the tongue up so it'll look better, but I got these off Goat for $150 used. Very lightly used. As you can see, it's actually in very good condition. You know, the bottoms are still white, minimum heel drag. As you can see, it's just a Bred, you know what I'm saying? It's a Bred colorway. It's black and red. It's pretty simple. Bulls colorway, you feel me? Get into a little bit of a review. As you can see, this whole red part is suede, even the mud guard. Midsole is rubber, outsole is rubber, white, black carbon fiber, red pod right here. This part up top is mesh, and I'm pretty sure, I think this 2017 version is 3M, but I'm not sure. You see this holographic pod right here, still got the plastic on it. The tongue is suede, whole tongue is suede, the toe is leather. It's very nice use of very nice use of materials. I really like this shoe. Looks like I was right. This whole upper is 3M. As you can see, I got the flash on in this video, so you can see this whole part is 3M. And I grabbed my other 13 so you guys can compare. See, I had the cherries right here, and then I just got the Breds. I feel like the Breds are cut a little like lower, I want to say. Or maybe I'm tripping. Or maybe it might be a tiny bit lower. I don't know. But this is the Bred compared to the cherries. These cherries are from 2010, as you can see. And I bought these dead stock for $150. And then I bought these Bred 13s for $150. As for personal preference, I kind of prefer the Breds over the cherries because, you know, the Breds are just black and red. And I kind of wear more black than anything. But that's on that. But these Breds and these cherries, I feel like these are the only 13s I need to have, like need to have in my collection. You feel me? I feel like all the other 13s, just like, as long as I have these two, I'll be fine. That's how I feel. But that kind of wraps up today's video. $150 Goat pickup, the Bred 13. And I'll see you guys on the next one.